A buffalo does not seek attention. It stands grounded against the open plains, body solid and unmoving, dark shape anchored into pale grass. Its weight feels steady, balanced evenly on four strong legs that press firmly into the earth. There is no restlessness in the posture, no need to shift beyond a subtle adjustment of stance. The head lowers slowly, horns curving outward like quiet crescents against the sky. Breath moves through wide nostrils in a calm, rhythmic pattern. Flies drift near its hide, and a tail flicks once, then settles again. Nothing escalates. Nothing breaks the silence. Around it, the savannah continues without change. Grass bends gently beneath passing wind. Distant shapes move across the horizon, small and softened by distance. The buffalo does not react. It belongs to this wide open field as naturally as the ground beneath it. There is strength here, but it does not rush forward. It remains patient, present, unshaken. If this grounded presence feels steadying, there are longer journeys waiting. Extended films where buffalo stand in quiet formation, where open landscapes stretch without interruption, where calm holds its shape across endless space. Subscribe to stay connected to these expansive plains and return whenever you need a moment that feels solid and unhurried.